Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is currently noon on Thursday, and this is my beginner trading recap. So as you guys can see, it is Thursday as I'm recording this, not on Monday as usual. And this week has just been really busy, and so I couldn't get to it. I've been working a second job because I'm not immune to the economic impact from you know what. And so, yeah, I've had to do some extra work and whatnot. So I have been trading every single morning though. So what we're gonna do in this video is I'm just gonna go over my profit loss for the day and then just kind of look at what happened on Monday, because that's usually what I do. So let's go ahead and go over to account. Now, you'll notice first of all that the net account value is $2,659.50, which is a bit higher than it was last time I did a trading recap. So there's about $50 that was added to my account because I got 5 free stocks from Webull. That's why my account is, or partially why my account's a bit higher. Now you'll see over on the daily profit loss that I'm currently on the day at plus $5.98, which is actually a really big green day for me with the position sizes that I'm trading with, so under $500 at this point. Usually about 10 shares on the $30, $35 stocks that I've been trading. Yeah, so let's go ahead and look at the orders that I had today. So if we go to filled orders, you'll see that I had one trade on ticker symbol DRIP. So I had a buy at $7.57, and then I had a limit sell at $7.69, so plus 12 cents, which is not a huge amount, but you'll see that the quantity is 50 shares. So instead of trading with the normal 10 share position size, this was 50 shares. And the reason why I did that, I know in the past I said, okay, I'm only trading 10 shares, and that was more to kind of limit the downside. So if I have a bad trade, I'm not risking like 100 shares or 200 shares or something that can impact my account more. It also means obviously I make less money, but those were also $35 stocks. This stock, of course, is $7. So even with 50 shares, the total position size was only $378.50. So still under 500, and usually my position sizes are under 400. You know, at the most it's around $400. Now that plus 12 cents, which was $5.98 total profit on the day, was 1.5% of the total position size, which I think is a fantastic profit for a trade. And if we look at the timestamp here, you can see that the order was filled at 10:04:41, and then it was sold at 10:05:26. So again, really short little scalp trade. All right, so let's go ahead and go over to the trade tab, and I will show you the trade that I took. Okay, so here we have ticker symbol DRIP, and I'll show you exactly where I made the trade. So I made the trade right here. You'll see that we had this really strong push at 9:57, and just a clarification, the times given here are Eastern Standard Time, so this would have actually been 6:57 in the morning. But so we had this really strong push, and it came up here, and then we had a little bit of a pullback. Okay, so I bought right here, ended up being at the bottom of the pullback, so I timed that quite well, which I was happy with that. So I bought here, and then I sold right there. So I actually thought that the stock was going to have more of a strong uptrend for the day. You can see that overall it is in an uptrend, and if we change our candles, okay, we gotta zoom in here. If we change to hourly candles, you can see that we are trending up, right? We opened, let's see here. Yeah, we opened down here, okay? So we opened it around 749, and currently we're sitting at 789. So the stock is trending up on the day. All right, so I wanted to just touch on my profits on Monday, just because that's usually what I do. So Monday, I had a really big red day. So honest trade confessions right here. What happened was I had my first trade on Monday. I jumped into a trade that I just shouldn't have taken. I was just being crazy impulsive, and it was a terrible idea. You know, sometimes when a trade goes south, you say, well, I think I didn't necessarily do anything wrong. It's not always going to work. But then sometimes you're like, no, I just shouldn't have done that. That was stupid, right? So this is one of those times. So I made a trade. I lost a little over $3, which emotionally, psychologically, I was just frustrated, because it's like, oh my gosh, my daily goal is, $1. And so if I lose $3, like, I'm going to be red for the week. And so I was like, okay, I have to win it back. So I jumped into another trade that I shouldn't have, and ended up being red $7.59. So that was just difficult to start the week out that way, especially because if I can make $7 in a week, that's great, because my daily goal is $1, my weekly goal is $5. So if I lose more than my weekly goal in a day, that's not great, right? Now, one thing I will mention, and I'll go over all this in a video tomorrow where I post my update on my trading progress. So I'm going to look at since I started trading and kind of look at the last 2 weeks versus the previous 2 weeks and see how I progressed. And I'll go over all the numbers and everything. But on the week currently, I am up, let's see here, where did I write it down? $6.85. So I've beat my weekly goal of $5. So that feels really, really good. So that's kind of what happened on Monday. Not proud of that. I'm supposed to quit if I lose more than $1 or if I make more than $1. So like today, I made almost $6. So, okay, I'm done. Certainly could have made another trade and probably made money. It's easy to say that, another thing to do it, but I think I probably could have, but no, I'm done. Basically I made my weekly goal in a day. So I'm debating whether or not I'm going to trade tomorrow, but I will at the very least make an update where I go over the total profit loss and kind of show you my progress. And I'm kind of excited because I feel like I've been making good progress. So yeah, so that pretty much wraps up the video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoy these trading recaps, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe if you haven't. I post these every single week. And then once a month, I post a trading update where I go over my total profit loss since I started and see how I've progressed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.